Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best acrylic fall decorations you can find, the Whaline 220PC's acrylic fall decoration set. This set is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of autumn to their home or special event. Whether you're planning a Thanksgiving dinner, a fall wedding, or simply want to brighten up your home for the season, these acrylic decorations will transform your space. With 220 pieces, you get an impressive assortment of mini fall leaves, pumpkins, marbles, and pine cones. This set includes everything you need to create a warm, cozy, and festive atmosphere. The leaves come in a variety of colors, including vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows, which truly capture the essence of fall. The pumpkins are in shades of orange, brown, and yellow, offering a rustic charm to your decor. The pine cones, also in autumn tones, add a nice touch of natural elegance. What's amazing about this set is how versatile it is. You can scatter these beautiful decorations across tables, in glass vases, or mix them with other floral arrangements for a charming centerpiece. They're perfect for indoor and outdoor use, making them ideal for fall parties, weddings, or even just to spruce up your living room. Plus, the acrylic material gives these decorations a sleek, glassy appearance that reflects light beautifully, adding a touch of sparkle to your setting. Not just for decoration, these pieces also serve an educational purpose. If you have preschool-aged children, these mini items are fantastic for counting and sorting activities, helping little ones improve their math skills while having fun. The quality of these decorations is top-notch. Made from durable acrylic, they can withstand outdoor conditions and are easy to clean. The lightweight nature of these pieces means you can place them anywhere without worrying about them breaking or being too heavy. So, if you're looking to elevate your autumn decor, this 220-piece acrylic fall decoration set from Whaline is a must-have. The vibrant colors, realistic design, and versatility make it one of the best acrylic fall decorations available. Don't miss out on making your fall season a bit more special with these eye-catching accents. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more product reviews from Product Critique.